today we will discuss about the ion selective electrode. Ion selective electrode. As a name suggested that ion selective and electrode. Ion selective electrode. This is the type of electrode that select a specific ions. Selection of specific ions. So the name suggested ion selective electrode. If a mixture contains potassium ion, hydronium ion, calcium, magnesium, if the mixture contains the various ions, so the electrode can select a specific ion. Suppose the glass electrode select a specific ion, that is the H positive ions in a mixture of cations or anions. Suppose this is the mixture. In this mixture, the glass electrode they select only hydronium ion or measures the only concentration of hydronium ions only. So this is the ion selective electrode. So in the mixture of ions, this electrode, short form of this electrode is ISE. So this electrode is selected only a particular ions. So on the selected is a particular ion, this electrode is the most used rapidly analysis of cation or anion. We get the directly concentration of these ions. It is the very most rapidly analyzed. And next point is so the specific ions. We see the glass electrode. In laboratory we measure the pH by using this glass electrode. So the glass electrode is the one of the type of ISE electrode. The first glass electrode is found in 1906 for glass electrode. So in 1960 the membrane changed this glass electrode and they used the measurement of ions. So from 1960 the glass electrode from changing its membrane, it is used as ion selective electrode. So in glass electrode, it consists of a membrane. Here a ball-like structure. This is the glass electrode. Glass electrode, here the ball-like structure. This is the permeable membrane. Permeable membrane. So this membrane allows only H positive ions to permeable. The thickness in permeable membrane is 0.1 mm. So the particular ions, suppose we measure the calcium ion selective electrode. So here the permeable membrane is changed for calcium ions. So from when we measure the calcium ion, so in that the permeable membrane is changed. So permeable membrane allows only calcium ions. When we measure the magnesium ion, the permeable membrane is changed to measure the magnesium ion. तर जे ग्लास इलेक्ट्रोड आहे, तर ग्लास इलेक्ट्रोड हा आपण लॅबोरेटरीमध्ये पीएच मेजरमेंट करतो ग्लास इलेक्ट्रोडनी. तर या ग्लास इलेक्ट्रोड मध्ये या टिपला जो हा टिप आहे, तर या टिपला जी आहे ती परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन असते. तर त्या ग्लास इलेक्ट्रोड साठी ती परमेबल मेम्ब्रेन मध्ये फक्त इथे हायड्रोनियम आयनच, त्या हायड्रोनियम आयनचं पोटेन्शियल डेव्हलप होते इथे, आणि आपण हायड्रोनियम आयनचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन चेक करतो त्या अॅनालाइट मधलं, तिथे ग्लास इलेक्ट्रोडनं. तर तसा जे आपण आयन सिलेक्टिव्ह इलेक्ट्रोड आहे, स्पेशल फॉर मेजरमेंट ऑफ पोटेन्शियल जर मेजर करायचं असेल तर ही जे परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन आहे, तर ती परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेनचं जे कंपोजिशन आहे, तर ते कंपोजिशन चेंज होते. ते आपण डिटेलमध्ये पाहू. तर फॉर कॅल्शियम मेजरमेंट साठी तर ती परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन चेंज होऊन फक्त त्या मेम्ब्रेनला कॅल्शियमच अलो होईल. And so measure the magnesium, so we change that permeable membrane, so we measure the magnesium ion. So this is the all general principle of ion selective electrode. Here we discuss about the classification of ion selective electrode. ISE. So ion selective electrode are classified into first solid membrane electrode. Glass electrode. In solid membrane, A glass electrode, B non-glass electrode. Here we see the classification of ion selective electrode. First, solid membrane electrode. Second, liquid membrane electrode. Third, gas sensing electrode. Gas sensing electrode. Fourth, enzyme based electrode. Enzyme based electrode. And fifth, ion selective field transfer electrode. Ion selective field transistor electrode. So the ion selective electrode are generally classified into solid membrane electrode, liquid membrane electrode, gas sensing electrode, enzyme based electrode, and next is the ion selective field transistor electrode. So from the solid membrane electrode, it is further divided into glass electrode and non-glass electrode. Our pH electrode is the one of the example of glass electrode. So in glass electrode, we will measure the H positive ions, lithium, sodium, potassium, ammonium ions. So all this is the glass electrode. Next is the non-glass electrode. Non-glass electrode is further divided into single crystal, polycrystalline, third mixed crystal. So the first, as we see the glass electrode, we check the hydronium ion, lithium, sodium, potassium and ammonium. Second, the non-glass electrode. In non-glass electrode, here in non-glass electrode, here the absence of this bulb. So in non-glass electrode, there is the present the solid crystals on the tip of electrode. So here it presents the solid crystals of specific ion that we measure. Suppose we measure the fluoride ions in water. So here the solid crystals is measured by fluoride ion. Single crystal, suppose it is the fluoride. Next, Ag, silver. Next, copper, cadmium, lead, fluorine, bromine, iodine. So this is the non-glass electrode. Next, liquid membrane electrode. In liquid membrane electrode, there is the presence of liquid membranes. Presence of liquid membranes. So first in glass electrode, this is the presence of glass membrane. So in glass membrane, the different type of membranes, these are only in glass electrode we measure the hydronium, lithium, sodium, and in non-glass electrode the bulb the membrane is replaced by crystals. So in non-glass electrode we put here crystals. From these crystals there is an exchange of ions. We will see the next lecture details one by one of glass electrode, non-glass electrode, liquid membrane electrode, gas sensing electrode. So in gas sensing electrode, we will directly measure the gases in environment. Ammonia, NO2, CO2 and H2S. So when we put this electrode on the environment, gas sensing electrode, we directly receive the readings of gases in environment. Second, enzyme based electrode. Enzyme based electrode for the detection of urea and other. And next is the ion selective field transistor electrode. These are the only classification. We will see the shortly classification of ion selective electrodes. In next lecture, we will see the detailed glass electrode and other electrode. The advantages of ion selective electrodes are: first, it is the relatively cheap and easy to operate. So when we only fix the plug of the electrode on the instrument, so hence it is the easy to operate. Second, these are the chemical resistance. any chemicals we will directly put these electrodes and we will measure. Third advantage is it has wide range of concentration measures. The ion selective electrodes measure the 10 raised to power minus 6 molar concentration. And the ISE is used in the color solution or in turbid solution. ISE is also useful for biological fluid, blood samples and other.